Are you running Mackie into the wall?
Here. 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 Here.
Thank you. You want me to take those too? Oh, okay. Haley just dropped all your raisins. Well, at least it's the 5-second rule.
One, two.
Samantha, pull your pants up. Samantha, pull your pants up. Samantha, quit hitting Mackie with those. Pull your pants up.
Well, that's supposed to happen too. Those are seeds. They'll land somewhere and new ones will grow. So George's
Thank you, Haley. Pull your pants up. Your pants are going to fall down if you don't pull them up. Samantha. Pull your pants up. Pull your pants up. Leave my camera alone. No, don't. No, you're going to break it. You're going to break it. You're going to break it. It's the only camera we have. Stop. Look at the cat. Look at Mackie.
Pictures.
Say one.
Pictures.
Say one.
Pictures.
Say 1, 2. Look. Do you see you? Say 1. Can you say Samantha? Don't push that button. Say Samantha. Can you talk in the camera? Say hello. Can you say I love you?
I love you.
Say I love you. Give the camera a kiss. Kiss the camera. You gonna kiss yourself? Haley. Haley. Look, there's Haley. Haley. Can you say Bugs? Say hey, Bugs.
Hey, Bugs.
No, Samantha, be careful. Y'all both gonna break my camera. Stop. If you break this, I will be in trouble. Say 1, 2. Can you please pull your pants up? Pull them up. Pull them up. Samantha, pull your pants up. You're going to trip and fall. Pull them up. Samantha, you gonna push Mackie in the stroller? Go sling him into the wall like you usually do. And